How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be mail call. My gosh, an awesome mail call on top of that. But before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never charge you a dime, guys. It's all I ever ask. If I mention anybody in my videos, the links will be in the description below. That's it. That's all I ask for, guys. Okay, before we get the video started, I had to get a new phone. My old phone messed up, and everything was in my phone, guys. All my contacts, everything. So all of you out there that have my phone number, my personal phone number, you know, Tom, Tim, you know, Paul, Jeff's, all the Jeffs. I mean, everybody, you know, Kyle, Robert, John, everybody needs to text me and tell me who you are. That way I can get you back in my phone, guys. I mean, seriously, most important, please do that, guys. I've lost everybody's phone numbers. My phone, I mean, it totally messed up. And there was no going to the cloud or whatever to get all. I could never retrieve all my information. So therefore, I haven't watched videos in days, guys. It's been a while. And so if I'm behind on everybody's videos, don't know if I'll ever get caught up, guys. Y'all got to understand it. Past several days, you know, we've been watching the grandbaby. Got to watch the grandbaby tomorrow too. Just ain't had time. I got 2 buddy builds going right now, and I haven't even had time to mess with them, guys. But I'll get back on them. You know, Robert, John, I'll get back on the buddy builds. I've got a little bit done, not a lot, but yeah, and we're getting there, Brian. Sorry. So first shout out, I got this in the mail today. It's from Dave. Look at that shop card right there. Woody's Model Garage right there. Y'all know him. Everybody knows him. And if you don't, the link will be in the description below. Get down there and go subscribe, like, share. You know, the whole 9 yards. Just show him some support. And look at them awesome builds right there, guys. Amazing builds. Love them. Thank you for the kind words, brother. Appreciate you. All right. Now, you probably seen in the thumbnail what this main video is about is old Robert over there at Rats Live. Old Robert and Tammy. There's their shop card right here. You can see that right there. I'll get my little fingers off there. And the link will be in the description below too, guys. Look at the awesome paint jobs and stuff. Well, I was watching his videos and stuff, old Rob, and I seen him. He had the Multi-Maverick Ohio George Multi-Maverick kit, MPC. And man, he did an amazing body work modification, paint job. I mean, of course, you know, he does, his paint jobs are just, they're off the hook. This dude is an artist. He is a real artist. Well, I asked him to do commission work for me. I said, I got a Multi-Maverick body and I want you to do the body and paint it just like what you did. You know, I could do the rest, but just, you know, body and paint. Well, he done me one better, and I'll turn around and show it to you. But man, it's just, you know, this community, guys, I stress it over and over and over and over. There's nothing better than this YouTube community, guys. There's guys out there they'll go more than their fair share of what they should do or even do. You know, I mean, I don't even know how to explain it, guys. I'm just a redneck from Arkansas. I lose my words all the time and stuff, but man, I'm over the moon. I'm overjoyed with this. And Rob, I sent you out a package. I sent you Maverick back to you and some other stuff too, brother. I do appreciate you, man. This I cannot explain, and I'm going to turn this around and show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me pause this out. All right, guys, this is what he sent me. Guys, I want you to see this amazing work. Not, you know, I was willing to pay the guy to do me a body and do everything like he, man, You just can't express the words. He just sent me the whole model. Built, painted, done, I mean, complete. I mean, his paint jobs, you just can't get better than that, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Look, you know what modifications he had to do. He's got a video. Go watch on how he corrects all this. He corrects the hood, how he does all that. My God, you just can't put into words, guys. And look at the, I mean, my God. Look at that custom airbrush paint job, guys. Look at the customization in there. I mean, just, not to mention the body modifications. I mean, and just the detail, the foil, the wires, the plumb, you know, everything. I mean, and just to give it to me. Well, Robert, buddy, I got you a package in the mail today. It was sent out today, brother. I'm over the moon, dude. I don't know what to say, guys. Y'all seen this on his channel? Well, if you haven't, get over there and check it out. He's got a full video on how to build this kit, how to do these modifications, and how to do everything. And guys, just look at this. I'm just going to take this body off. It'll be a lot easier. Look at this. Can you see the engine detail, the wires? Look at the paint. Look at that big old 427 Ford engine. I mean, just look at that thing. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but that is phenomenal, phenomenal work. Not only that, I mean, but the paint job on this car, guys, you just got to see this. Look. Look at the paint. Look at that. Where else you going to get a customized paint job like that for? It just sent to you. This community is just absolutely amazing, guys. Look back here. Look at the level of details he put into this. And just to give it to me. And the thing about it, that wasn't all he gave me. Let me show you guys. Let me move this out of the way. Not only did he give me that, he sent me this salt flat car, 1949 Ford. He channeled, chopped, sectioned, whatever you want to call it, he did it. Spun aluminum. He did that on his lathe, guys. He made those aluminum salt discs himself. He did that on his lathe. Pull this off right here. Engine's wired. I mean, the tinted windows to, you can't really see the interior much. I don't know if I can, yeah, you're not going to be able to, but guys, just out of his heart, just give this to me. I mean, oh my God. Guys, does this community get any better than that? I've sent you out some stuff, but man, it's not enough to repay you, Rob. I surely do appreciate this, guys. I really do, Rob, Tammy. And then, not only that, he had a model he sent me. He said, just finish it up. He gave me all the parts for it. He said he just lost interest in it. There's the windows, you know, here's another awesome paint job he's done. He's just lost interest in it, guys. Look at this. Look at that. White walls. Look at the work on that, man. Look at the engine. Look at, my God. How? That's just too dang cool, guys. That's just too dang cool. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. You got my number. Call me anytime, Rob. You know that. God, I appreciate it. As far as the airplane with John, let's see. Let me get it found here. I got so much crap on this. This is the one I'm going to wind up. He sent me 2 of these. This is a base I'm going to use. I'm going to have it in flight motion. And let's see. This is what I've gotten done. I've got to mask off everything, all this glass, and start getting it in white primer. I've not got a whole lot done. And then, Robert Bishop, this is as far as I've gotten right here. I've got it mocked up. Look at those wheels. I got those wheels and big block and all. Of course, the big block's not going in this one, but I got the wheels in and everything. I just got it mocked up for stance. Fixing to get that in primer. And that's really all I gotten done on the buddy builds. Robert and Brian, we're doing a 3-way buddy build on those. Me and John from Mighty JJK, we're doing a buddy build on the Catalina. And well, that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you. Bye.